In front of me is OPPO A16S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this OPPO. You need to start by opening settings. Then scroll down and choose password and security. Then tap on face section over here and enter your current screen lock. Now you need to choose continue after reading the disclaimer. Keep your face in frame and follow all of those instructions. Now you can adjust all of those face unlock options however you wish to by clicking on all of those switchers next to all of those features. When you're ready, click on Home button. Now when I switch off my screen and then switch it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!